So we're actually here at God is Good, and we're about to leave for Abuja. And this is my sister. Yeah, so we're actually going to spend some time with our brother. Okay, so enjoy this vlog, all right? And welcome to a new vlog. So we'll see you. Bye. And we're actually leaving from Asaba to Abuja. Okay, so bye. Morning guys, so we are home now and this is the next day. I couldn't vlog again yesterday when we arrived because my battery died, and we're in Abuja, and the weather here is really hot, very hot. So today we're just going to see what we can do around the house, and I need to take off this braids. It's really old now, and I need to wash it as well and then get it into a protective style like cornrows. And we're home alone. My brother and his wife, they've gone to work, and then I'll fix breakfast as well because I'm hungry, and I also need to rest because I'm tired. The journey was really long. My new subscribers, you're welcome. My name is Chinwe Izukane, Nigerian YouTuber based in Asaba. Thank you so much for joining the family. And to my friends that have always been here, thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all greatly. And I know I've not been here for some time. In January, I lost a very good friend of mine. We were very close. So it shook me. Just needed time to, deal with it and all of that. But it is well. So I'll take you all along with me as I go about my day. I feel really bad when I have to take down my braids because it's natural hair. You can see that the body of the braids is still looking clean, but the root is not looking good at all. And I actually had this knotless braids for over 2 months, so it has to go even if I don't feel like it. So I'm ready to wash my hair. I just used aloe vera gel to twist it. I'm going to leave it for some time. I'll wash it off, and after washing my hair, I'm going to get it into a protective hairstyle. I'll do cornrows. I think my sister will help me with the cornrows. Okay, so guys, some items that I had to weigh bill from Asaba to Abuja just came in. So my brother went to God is Good logistics office to pick it up. So this is my brother. He's going back to work now. Hi guys, so this is Saturday evening, and I'm ready for an outing. My brother said he's going to be taking us out, so I think anytime from now we're going to be stepping out. Okay, so I'll see you guys.